Hey guys, it's Lord Civic, and today we are going to be unboxing my front channel speakers and floor standing speakers, the Klipsch reference Premier RP-8000Fs. The second one hasn't arrived yet. For some reason they were sent separately, but is currently out for delivery, and irregardless, we wouldn't be unboxing both of them anyway. They have the same box, same packaging, same everything, so it wouldn't make sense to unbox both of them on here. But with saying that, let's get ready to start unboxing not only this behemoth of a speaker, but also monstrosity of a box. So I actually wanted to unbox this by myself. So unlike every other video, I guess you can kind of say this is cheating. I unbox every other Klipsch speaker just by cutting it open and trying to figure out the best way to get it out. For this one though, I followed the same unboxing steps as this really cool YouTuber named 209H Mooblis. He unboxes the RP-8000f by first flipping all the flaps up, even the one on the bottom, then standing the speaker up on itself, and then lifting the box right over the speaker. So that made it a very easy process, and as you can see, I was able to do the unboxing by myself. So what is the reason that I went with the 8000F compared to, let's say, the 4000F, 5000F, 6000F, or even the 8000FA? And as I said before, I wanted to get the best speaker within my price range. I didn't want to spend more than $1,000 on any one product. That is why the 8000FA wasn't anywhere even near my price range. I got both of these 8000Fs for, I believe, $450 or $470 used. It equal to about $900 something, between $900 and $1,000. And I wanted to get the Dolby Atmos version of these floor standing speakers, but compared to the 8000F and the 8000FA, there was like a premium price hike of like $1,000. I believe it was $1,800 for just having Dolby Atmos, which, I mean, Dolby Atmos is very impressive technology, but that's a very serious price hike. So what I ended up doing was actually, instead of paying $1,000 more to get the Dolby Atmos from my front channels, I decided to invest in the Klipsch RP-500SA Dolby Atmos surround speakers, which I will be putting on top of my 8000Fs, and I'm not going to be doing an unboxing of them, but I will be showing them in my full audio system setup once I get that all put together. But yeah, another thing is, I said I wanted to get the best within my price range, so the 4000, 5000, and 6000F were all on my radar. But I was just like, you know what, I'm going to get a sub in maybe a month or so. So for now, I might as well get something that's going to give me some serious bass until then. So there you have it, the unboxing of the Klipsch reference Premier 8000F. Again, I'm so glad I went with the ebony finish for all of my speakers. Pictures and videos can't even describe or even begin to capture the level of beauty these things look like in person. It's absolutely gorgeous. Honestly, like, my biggest problem, not even like when I saw it, but even when I saw it online, was that I thought I was gonna put the magnet grills over the speakers, but honestly, I already have the center channel speaker set up, and the rose gold in the woofers is honestly not even like distracting. Like, if anything, like, you'd be able to see like the speakers thumping and stuff like that. It kind of like doesn't make it more immersive to what's going on the screen, but it still just looks like absolutely like aesthetically pleasing. Again, as I said before, make sure to like and subscribe, because I will be doing demos of movies, music, and games. And this whole speaker system mixed with the LG C9 is going to be like an almost dreamlike experience. And I'm just so excited to just finally hop in and just put these things not on like full blast, because I literally, like, the central channel alone, like yesterday, like my head was like, wow, like, not even like head, like, because of like, wow, it's crazy, like, wow, it was like actually loud, like louder than most concerts I've been to. Like, I went to an Eminem concert like in 2018, and well, I don't know if the speakers were louder because I was also excited during that time, but like these were, it's ridiculously loud at its max volume, and I'm probably not going to be utilizing it at more than maybe 85, 90 at max, and that's still even pushing it. But then again, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have a good day.